Hawa al-Mustafa. In the 5th century after death in West Africa, the history of a renowned tribe known as Fulbe began and Islamized earlier on, and traveling constantly without developing a tradition of figural sculpted art. A complex nature of art among this large, long-established group of people in West Africa is widely recognized but still understudied. Due to the complexity nature of Fulani headsmen, it has caused lots of chaos in Nigeria until when Alhaji Abdullahi Bello Bodeju, Sarkin Fulani of Africa, a non-partisan politician, peace ambassador, a philanthropist, a mediator between farmers and herders, and a national president, Mieta Allah Kautal Hori, stood up for his people and his country. He succeeded in uniting the entire Fulbe community to speak with one voice. He also called on the federal government to create ministry or commission for Fulani herders affairs. For that, it will be a major panacea to ending the perennial communal unrest in the country. Long live Mieta Allah Kautal Hori. Long live Nigeria.